Fala galerinha do YouTube, aqui quem fala é o Guilherme. Oxe, bugou. É como eu estava dizendo, a gente vai jogar Dream League Scores. Aqui, viu? Jogar agora, começar a jogar já. O time deles tá meio fraco, não tá forte. Vamos jogar, né, pra ver o que dá. Vamos lá. Sem muita delonga, vamos nessa. Eu não vou ficar falando muito não.
What can we expect here today? Not a good tackle at all. Let's see that one again.
Oxe.
That's well played. Fine tackle by Miranda. Miranda, good clearance. Time tackle. The defender then back on the ball. He did well to win the ball back. Played into the box. Navas. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Gets the header in. Goodness me, that was close. Let's see that one again. Good interception. Striker's ball. Just the goal. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. Oh, that could be painful. Played wide. They have the ball again. Oh, that's great determination. Oh, he did really well there. That's well played. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, determined half time then. Let's hope for some goal.
Caramba, gente. Esse jogo tá difícil, hein? Sai, capeta.
So level at half time and we're underway again. Who's going to take the initiative? It's Miranda using the width here. My guess is this game has more goals. But we may see one very soon. Oh, and dispossessed there. Here's Bilia. They've won it back. This game could go either way, but there's still chances to take the lead. Nice work there. Hoisted upfield now. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Shoots, and the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that. And he's back in possession. It's Miranda. The defender's back on the ball. And he's won it back for his team. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays there. Oh, it's a penalty. Let's see that one again. You can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Nice finish. Neatly put away. Great composure. And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond? So we're off again here. Here's Bilia. They're appealing, but he's onside. Shoots! defenders back on the ball. Good interception. It's Bealey, a great goal. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Moving down the flanks here. No cards yet from the referee. Well played. And it's saved by the keeper. As a crest from distance. Not the best effort there. Let's see that one again.
Eu pensei em cruzar.
Now, this could be costly. He showed a bit too much to the opposite. Confident goalkeeping there. Striker's ball. Great scenes here as the referee draws his match to an end. They've won the Global Challenge Cup. And the moment's finally here as the manager and team rally together to lift the Global Challenge Cup.
Vai dar 100 e pouco. Aqui, ó. 8 mais 1, 16. 18 mais... 9 mais 9, 18 mais 1. 19. 19 e 1. 196. Quer ver? 196. Sou de conta. Foi isso, galerinha. Valeu. Espero que tenham gostado. Fui.